Good Sunday morning. We're filling up the Kubota. And I don't know if you guys have seen this, but this is the fuel transfer setup up close. I made another video on it, but always filtering the fuel before it goes into the machines. It's always good. And what was it? I wonder if I put this thing on right. I'm not sure that I did. Anyways, I bought this electrical connection for attachments because we're renting the forestry mulcher this week. Pretty stoked. So anyways, you just mount that right up there, run the cable. Just super easy. We're gonna go around the other way. Moved a bunch of manure with this thing Friday. Some farm was having a big open house and I don't know what happened. They called me, went out there, helped them out. Good little Friday afternoon job. So anyways, that cable, you just run the cable, the wiring, just back with the hydraulic hoses there, and then it connects really simple right here into that connector. I think it does. I sure hope it does. It's the only one that seemed like it worked out. And dealer was closed, so I couldn't ask them, but I'm pretty sure that's where it goes. So that's where she's at. And what that allows us to do, let's check the oil while we're here. And I'm gonna set this down. It's got oil. It's all good. Whoa, all right, we got a full tank out of that? Hot damn. I did not realize, oh fuck, just tossed diesel all over that son of a bitch. Oh well, what do you expect in the land of equipment and diesel fuel? Now I like this cap. It's a little tricky though. Like then it just spins. I don't know. I think I got it figured out. So it's kind of a random Sunday morning video, but what that controller does, so over here you got these two buttons, and then I can't remember what the finger button does, if that's the high speed or the low speed. I have to run it to figure it out. Anyways, these two buttons right here, you'll get extra hydraulic control or function control on the attachment. And I really just wanted it simple like that, because you can get some big donkey fucking like 8-button thing over here to control the world from, like it's the command center, but it's just too gaudy and I didn't want all that. So yeah, that's what we got. That's what it is. I'm gonna go fill up the ox tank in the truck and probably go work today, since Sweetness is downstate with her parents with the little duder. So Sunday we're gonna go make some money. Yeah.